Hello, first grade friends. In this video, we will begin Module 13.5, Practice Facts to 20. By the end of this video, you will be able to solve addition and subtraction facts to 20. Let's start on page 403, 403. Step it out. How many soccer balls and tennis balls are there? Remember, you need to find how many soccer balls and tennis balls there are. Circle the numbers that you will use to solve the problem. So, first, let's look at the sign. They're showing soccer balls, footballs, tennis balls, and baseballs. What we want to figure out is how many soccer balls and tennis balls. So let's go ahead and circle. There are 8 soccer balls, and we have 6 tennis balls. There are 8 soccer balls and 6 tennis balls. For letter B, let's think of our strategies to add. For this one, it will be easiest to make a 10. We know that to get to the number 10, we would need to add 2 more to this number 8. So let's borrow 2 from the number 6. We'll separate those here. So I'll move this 2 over to the 8. We know that 8 plus 2 will equal 10. Then we have our 4 left over. After we make our 10, we still have this 4 left over. So we will use the equation 10 plus 4 to find how many soccer balls and tennis balls there are. We know that 10 plus 4 equals 14. For letter C, we will say that there are 14 soccer balls and tennis balls. We know that 8 plus 6 equals 14. Let's turn to page 404. Step it out. There are 12 soccer players on the field. Then 7 players leave the field. How many soccer players are still on the field? Letter A says, remember, there are 12 soccer players on the field. Then 7 players leave the field. How many soccer players are still on the field? Think of strategies you can use to subtract. Think, I can add to subtract. Earlier in the year, we learned about fact families. We know that 7 plus 5 equals 12. Since we know this, we can figure out that 12 minus 7 equals 5. We know that there are 5 soccer players still on the field. I would like for you to turn and talk with a family member. What other strategy could you use to solve the problem? Let's take a look at Check Your Understanding on the bottom of page 404. It says, there are 17 soccer balls and 8 volleyballs. How many more soccer balls are there than volleyballs? Let's draw a picture to solve this one. Let's start with our 17 soccer balls. We have one group of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 for a total of 17. We know that we have 8 volleyballs. We will show that by drawing 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They want to know how many more soccer balls are there than volleyballs. Well, we have 8 volleyballs. So let's cross out 8 from our 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've run out of ones to cross off. So what we can do is we can take away 1 from this group of 10. If we show this 10 by making ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We already have 7 crossed off. Then we would just cross off 1 more. That leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What we did was we subtracted 8 from 17. 17 minus 8 equals 9. So we know that there are 9 more soccer balls. On your own, please complete page 405 in your IntoMath workbook.